barangay captain has already committed to us that no operations will be conducted.
How about the heavy equipment? Are there heavy equipment still around up to this?
In our last ocular inspection, Mr. Chair, there were 2 heavy equipments, but I believe they're not functioning, Mr. Chair.
Considering that the challenge here is on who will rehabilitate, nakita natin grabe ka mahal ng expenses. There were heavy equipments present during the video, during the ocular inspection. So, is there any agency government na nagbantay ng itong heavy equipment na dili mo gawas, at least pwede ito magamit for rehabilitation?
No idea, Mr. Chair, but we will consider that, Mr. Chair.
Okay, and then have we identified the landowners of those areas that were allegedly illegally mined?
Yes, Mr. Chair, we have names of those landowners.
Thank you, Your Honor. Any more questions? The Honorable Bernal is